Is this what is happening in this country now? Watch this.
Ooh, guys, we need to have a very serious conversation. By the way, hi guys. So, you mean to tell me that the safety and the well being of Nigeria as a whole is decided by certain fan supporters? You mean to tell me the well being of Nigeria is decided by certain Nigerians who make a bad tweet or attack certain faves of yours? That's where we are today? You neglect the fact that Nigeria has been going through so much trauma, and I say trauma as a whole, for years. We have such a terrible economy, and we finally have a candidate who can come out with his full chest and stand for the people and is ready to risk his life for the people. We neglect his track record, we neglect his political ambitions, we neglect the fact that he can actually bring true change to you and your family. But no, your political decision is now based on what someone tweeted because you say an obedient said this or an obedient did that. Bro, let's be real. I have never felt so much shame. And this is coming also from a lot of very intellectual people, from a lot of very smart people that you would think would be able to separate logic from emotion. But when it comes to Mr. Peter Obi, let's run with emotions. Now I ask you a question. If certain Nigerians decide to commit an atrocity, a big crime in the country, are you going to denounce your citizenship because of them? Are you going to stop going to church because, they are bad Christians? And they know you're not. So why is it that somehow Mr. Peter Obi's political status is being questioned or attacked because of certain people? And mind you, Nigerians, whether you're obedience or you're for Tinubu or whatever it is, whatever behaviors Nigerians exhibit is a product of the bad governance in Nigeria. I keep saying it, Nigerians have been in this lack mindset for so long, and the idea of actually changing, it's so difficult for them. So instead of them to come out with their full chest and say, listen, we are afraid of change, we do not know what to expect, we do not want to be judged because we are from a certain tribe and now we're going with the other tribe. Say it with your full chest. Say the truth that you actually have a lot of benefits from a certain APC party or from any other party, and you would rather stay there because it is comfortable for your life. Say it with your full chest, and we would understand that, instead of trying to belittle the career of such a great man, all in the name of someone said this or someone attacked this person. I remember there was a period when Randy Peters and Mama P were having banter with
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store, or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, go and search for it in findamnow.com.